One by one, they shared their pain, victims and relatives of victims in the Waukesha parade, speaking out in court against delaying the homicide trial set for October.
My grandmother was one of the ones that was struck and killed by Darrell Brooks in the Waukesha parade. I was incredibly close to her, and her life was ripped away from myself, my family, and my grandmother's friends without so much of a chance of the ability for us to even say goodbye.
Suspect Darrell Brooks is accused of killing 6 and injuring more than 60 others when prosecutors say he drove through the parade in November. Brooks never once looked back at the victims, many of whom were in tears reliving the terrifying moments.
The 6 killed did not have a choice of how much time they had left on this earth. The more than 60 injured did not have a choice of how much time they had to enjoy the quality of life they may never regain.
The victims say they're all trying to move on.
Moving the trial date to 2023 will cause additional emotional distress and prevent our family and hundreds of others from healing from this trauma.
As I believe closure is the biggest thing that the victims of this case and the case itself needs.
The defense said due to the volume of evidence, more than 300 videos, and time needed to find experts, they won't be ready by October.
What we are doing is trying at this early stage to avoid an issue where we're at trial and we aren't prepared to offer Mr. Brooks his thorough defense that he's entitled to.
To have to tell these victims, we're not going to do anything on this case for another year is really hard to swallow.
I am going to deny the request for a continuance.
Well, Hillary, the trial could start in early November. What about a change of venue?
Right, Patrick, that's still out there with this case as well. Later this month, they're going to be sending out a jury questionnaire to the public at random to see if they can seat an impartial jury. When they get the results back, that will tell them if they can have the trial here in the county or if they have to bring in an outside jury. And all of that could impact when this trial starts as well. So a lot still to be worked out.
Hillary Miss reporting from the Waukesha County Courthouse tonight. Hillary, thank you.